Hi, Nick Dogle, North State Law, where you safeguard your professional license so you can get back to business. Today's question is, will I lose my general contractor's license in the state of North Carolina if I receive a DWI? The answer to that question is most likely not. Now, let's get back to the nuts and bolts and the reporting requirements. So, the General Contractors Board does not have a particular mandatory reporting. However, when you renew, which renewal is due prior to December 31st of every year, they will ask you a question. Have you been arrested or convicted of any crimes in the past 12 months? You will have to, at that point, say yes, and that is if you have the DWI or other criminal charge. Traffic infractions do not count. So going from there, they will most likely track what happens with your case because you do have a due process right, and you might not end up with a conviction. Maybe you did nothing wrong. If you do end up with a conviction, then that is going to be a violation of the ethics rules for the North Carolina General Contractors Board. So what they would do at that point is, again, most likely not do a suspension or revocation. I think that you're looking at more likely some sort of mandatory substance abuse, rehabilitation, something along those lines, if they find that there is an actual substance abuse disorder. And the licensee really just needs to get some help. If that ends up being the case and the licensee needs some help, then as long as the licensee gets the required help, then the licensee is most likely looking at no suspension or revocation. If the licensee enters into some sort of program with the General Contractors Board or is required to do, go to AA or go to inpatient or outpatient treatment, whatever the case may be, agrees to it and then doesn't do it, then they're probably looking at a suspension at that point. So you got to be very careful about when, that you do report, because you're required to do that when you renew. And then if you enter into anything, you got to make sure that you're going to adhere to what you agree with the General Contracting Board. So if you got any questions, again, my name is Nick Dogle with North State Law. You can check out my the blogs on my website. That's northstatelawfirm.com. If you don't have the answer on there, then check out my YouTube channel. If the answer is still not on there, give me a call. It's 919-521-8810. Have a great day. Bye-bye.